How to use LOKLiK iPaint to create line art on greeting cards. These are the materials you are gonna need: marker pen, micro pen and a blank card. This tutorial covers the following steps: power connection, painting materials placement and pen installation, device connection, uploading/selecting an image, parameter settings and painting area preview, outline drawing and coloring. Step 1. Power connection, painting materials placement and pen installation. Connect it to the power and USB cables. Press the power button to turn it on. Then insert the pen into the silicone pen grip and put the pen into the pen holder. The silicone pen grip usually aligns to the scale mark beyond the pen. For painting substrates thicker than 15 mm, align to the scale mark A. Note: ensure the top of the pen grip is still aligned with the scale mark beyond the pen after insertion. Then align the painting surface with the marks on LOKLiK iPaint. Secure the material with tape. Step 2. Device connection, uploading/selecting an image. On the screen, click Device. Then Device connection. Select LOKLiK iPaint, click Next. Choose USB or Bluetooth. Search for the device. And click Connect. To use your own design or photo, click Upload in the left menu. For this tutorial, we will upload our original greeting card design. After uploading, click Add Text and select your preferred font to type the greetings. Then select the design and texts. Click Make. And choose Line Art as the drawing style. Step 3. Parameter setting. Select your painting substrate. Basic options include canvases, canvas panel, stretched canvas. And you can click the Increase button on the right to add a custom substrate and set up its size. Click Check Pen Tip Distance from painting surface to make sure the pen tip properly touches the painting surface. Adjust the pattern size to fit the painting surface. Use Auto Adjust Size in the upper left corner of the canvas for quick resizing, and the Rotate tool to adjust the orientation. Then choose Gel Pen. Now, click Preview to preview the painting area on the wood board. If the painting area exceeds the painting substrate edges after previewing, adjust the image in the software or move the device's position and repreviewing. Step 4. Outline drawing and coloring. Once all the steps are completed, click Add to Task. Then click the Start button, and the LOKLiK iPaint will begin drawing the line art on your greeting card. Ensure that the connected device remains on during the drawing process to prevent it from turning off or entering sleep mode. Once the line art is finished, you can color them to your preference. And just like that, your beautiful, handcrafted greeting card is complete. Create a unique and personal card for your loved ones with LOKLiK iPaint.